the first appearance of Travis Gallo on complaint W 2014-224-290. It is a two-count complaint. It charges Travis Gallo with the offense of murder in the first degree. It also charges the defendant, Travis Gallo, with possession of a weapon, to wit, a knife, for an unlawful purpose. Your Honor, this complaint was issued by Judge Gary Wilcox on Thursday, April 10th. On that date and time, bail was also set in the amount of $2 million, no 10%, with the following conditions: that Travis Gallo surrender his passport, or if he does not have a passport, he be prohibited from obtaining one during the pendency of this action, that he have no possession of firearms or any other weapons, and also that he have no phone, mail, or other personal contact with either Devin Gallo, James Gallo, or any other family member who chooses not to have contact with him.
Judge, on behalf of my client, I do acknowledge receipt of the complaint. I waive a form of reading into plead not guilty. Judge, in regard, if I could be heard just very briefly on the request of the state about the family members, that he should be barred from having contact with the family members. Now, Judge, in court today is his brother and his parents, and I'm not sure if there's any family member who doesn't want to have contact with him. So I think it's premature for the state to make that request, Judge.
They did not arrive at that request arbitrarily. The state's request, as it pertains specifically to Devin and James, is based on the fact that Devin is a witness to part of the horrendous events that culminated in the death of Taya. There is documented incidents of assault and aggression perpetrated by Travis on James Gallo. That information was revealed during the course of the investigation. That incident specifically where Travis attacked James, and he attacked James when he was coming to the defense of his sister Taya. We have sworn statements to that effect, and it's my understanding that information was already turned over to the defense, and on behalf of the state, I stand here today maintaining that those no contact orders as to those two individuals are absolutely necessary in this particular case.
All right, Mr. Travis Gallo, your case is going to proceed through the grand jury. We are going to enter a plea of not guilty, and I see that you've been assigned counsel. With regards to the bill will remain as set by Judge Wilcox at $2 million, no 10%. And it specifically says here that you are to surrender your passport, or if you do not have a passport, then you would be prohibited from applying for any passports during the pendency of this court action. You are not to have any contact with Devin Gallo, James Gallo, or any other family member who chooses not to have contact with you. If you were to have contact either by mail or telephone call, it would be considered a violation of your bail. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay? Please remain back to the Bergen County Jail.